Hello, everyone, welcome to the Magic Crayon Transformation. Today we will create the cutest cat, and yellow will be the main coat color of this cat.
Woo!
Now, let's add a lovely purple Athena to this cat. What do you think about this cat of ours? It's so cute, isn't it?
Woo!
Wow, what do you see? A whole world of food for our cat. Let's see what's going on today. I saw this. Coke, donuts, ice cream and even lollipops. I wonder if I forgot the name of the food. If I forget, please comment and help me with their names. Thank you very much. Let's add a few love hearts for the lovely cat. Our cat was very hungry, and you see, he ate well. The cat wants to eat again. Let's feed the cat again. Now let's eat. Well, kitten. I'll give you a lollipop. This is my favorite food. I'm hungry again. Wait for me. Let's eat slowly. Let's have some Coke. Looks like the kitten is almost full. You burp. Drink Coke to ease your digestion. Cat, you've already eaten too much.
Thank you for watching. What do you want to feed the cute cat? Please comment now. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel.